ne jogo manowito nyithindgi masira makamano. Pod wakwayo ni Nyasaye obed kodu. Jogo bende ma nyithindgi noyudo hinyruok mopogore opogore, geno ni Nyasaye biro miyogi chang makare. Magi duto wabiro yudo kochopo saa 1 gi saa 3 kanyakwara magajwang'. Ka wadhi nyime, Bisop Antony Muheria Antony Muheria okone jokenya mondo olam ne jopuonjre motegno konywando nyaka ma Endarasha Academy School manyo midhiero mar mach omako. Muheria okone sirikal mondo ogol kwan makare ma ok ketie kibaji mathoth kuom jonyuol kod jokenya mondo ong'e gino manyo timore. Okone jopiny kod jodak mondo ohore kendo owe biwo seyo kapok otiek timo nonro mar gima nokelo majno.
Where the inferno in the dormitory of the boys was a terrible incident which has claimed at least 17 lives of these little innocent souls. We want to send our deep condolences and our reassurance of solidarity to all the affected, especially to the families of those who have lost their loved ones. Scripture always consoles us as we read in the Psalms, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and He is close to those who are mourning. Many parents pick their children from hillside but have not yet informed them, and so there are some unaccounted children, and it's only fair that for the sake of peace of mind, if you picked your child, just call the institution so that you may say your child is at home and he's safe, and also kindly take them for a bit of a checkup and assistance because the trauma is quite huge. We want to say, even when tragedy strikes, God still cares for us. We are in His hands. Let us not lose hope. May we Kenyans show solidarity of prayer. May we Kenyans also reach out to our neighbors in tragedy, not gossip, but rather love